here we are, stranded in the great American wild with nothing but our wits to guide us. Will humanity prevail, or will we grow ravenous and resort to eating the flesh of the deceased like I saw in that one plane crash movie? First course, filet au Jacob. Rich and full-bodied, this rare beefcake may leave an irritating taste lingering on the palate. An acquired taste, some would say. Wow.
What?
Looks like you're trying to thread a needle with a packet of loose sausages.
Oh my God, I'm almost done, okay? Jesus Christ. And for the record, your analogies are very hurtful. Okay, I'm almost there. 1 second. Whoa!
And scene.
I mean, I could have kicked it.
You loosened it for me.
Okay, so, if I were a beer, where would I be hiding? Beep, 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 beep.
What
beep,
are you doing?
Beep. Oh, it's my beer dar. Helps me dar for beers.
Huh. How am I just noticing how super lame you are?
What? But it's my beer dar, dude.
I'm gonna go over here. Wow, the kids really wiped this place out. Mr. H loved his accessories. Think it's locked. Don't know what I was expecting.
Oh, hell yeah! Oh, jackpot! Hey, check out my giant melons.
Oh.
See, you just cut a hole in it.
Mm-hmm.
You pour in your vodka. It's party time.
You pour the vodka right in it.
Yeah, it's the most fun you could have with a hole in a watermelon. Or, well, second most.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you two alone and go look for some more party supplies. Harem scarum? Who buys this crap? Wonder where this goes. Locked. Ow! Mother! Hubbard!
What you done to your foot there? That looks painful.
Shut up.
Done.
Nice.
Whoa! Whoa.
Fucking mother load.
Good golly, Miss Molly. No wonder he kept this place locked up.
Think he'll be pissed when we raid his stash?
What? No. I mean, he left us stranded here. It's like, human rights or whatever.
Sure. Yeah.
All right. Now let's see what we are working with. Hold that. The door will latch otherwise. Oh. Hell yeah. In and out. Job done. Boom.
I want to look around.
Go for it.
Jacob! Check this out.
What? I can't move or else the door will latch.
They look like camping supplies.
Oh, okay. There's tents back at the fire pit, so just let's go.
Did a bear do this? Oh, cool.
What? What is it?
A gun
Oh, cool.
and a code. Okay. I'm done.
So you're you're really gonna keep the gun, huh?
Yeah. For bears.
Okay. Well, I am gonna find something to haul this lot back to camp. All right.
I'm in.
Hey, very nice. What else is in there?
Just some fireworks.
Oh, fireworks?
Yeah, but I don't think we should.
No, Emma. Fireworks.
You know, you're right. Fireworks.
Yeah, hell yeah. Fireworks. Oh, and might I just add, fireworks.
Hey, I found these like torn up bags back there. They were pretty messed up and I think they might have had blood on them.
Oh, stop. Stay right there. Oh, dude. Peanut butter pops. Dude, peanut butter fucking butter pops.
What are butter pops?
No.
What?
I can't believe it. Okay. Pop, peanut butter pops. Pop, pop them in your mouth. Pop. Oh my god, they're like the greatest snack of all time.
What are they? Are they like popcorn?
What? No, 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 no. They're nothing like popcorn. They're like their own thing, like their own subgenre of food snack. You know what? I haven't had these since I was a kid. You are in for such a treat.
Okay, wait, is there an expiration date on that bag?
No, they're still good.
Oh my god, they're like 20 years old, aren't
Okay,
they?
look, they predate expiration
Blah.
dates. Well, you're gonna love them.
Blah.
Well, I saw a wheelbarrow out front, so we can load up all our booty in there.
I'm sorry, what?
Booty? Oh, it means like treasure or butts.
No, before that.
Wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like a barrel with wheels. You can put stuff in it and just wheel it around.
Oh, I see.
Ladies first.
Yeah. Which way?
All right. The inner sanctum.
It's just an office.
This is where the magic happens.
Okay, yeah, let's just make this quick.
Sure, just give me a sec to get this going. And engage. Podcasts.
Yeah.
All right. Let me guess. Right now you're listening to one that has eerie music fade-ins and a mysterious demeanor and a broken syllable raspy voice and a mysterious lonely guy in his mom's basement getting hard for Area 51 and Bigfoot. Sorry, not that you're into that stuff. I didn't mean to.
I mean, whatever. I like it anyway.
You know, I'd give it a listen.
I mean, I don't care either way.
No, Ryan, I'm gonna do this for you. What is the podcast called?
Bizarre yet bona fide. You're trying not to laugh right now because it kind of sounds like boner, aren't you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Unbelievable.
So, should we check out what Mr. H keeps in his private den of sin?
I don't know, man. I feel a little weird going through his stuff.
Okay, well, I don't. I mean, come on, what kind of dirty secrets is the owner of a summer camp full of impressionable young children gonna have anyway? Not Mr. H, I know, he's cool.
It's always been cool to me.
Hey, what's the gun for?
Chris, Mr. H told me it was for, bears.
Bears? Here?
Yeah, he said they don't really come around because he's got the gun to...
Yeah.
Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone.
Dude, what if we're out partying tonight out in the woods and we end up in a sort of most dangerous game situation?
Like when people hunt other people.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, think about it. It's camp is over and hunting season has just begun.
True.
What if okay, bear with me here. What if what's on the menu tonight is us?
Well, then I guess we would need to protect ourselves.
Exactly. That's why we need the gun for protection.
Yeah, not gonna happen.
What about for fun? No? Okay. Yeah, totally.
Well, we know where the gun is if we need it.
Your call, man. Yo, my guy, toss me the keys.
So you can poke around in Chris's private area?
I'm sorry, is that something that only you're allowed to do?
Hardy har har.
Come on, what's the harm in looking? You're not a little bit curious? I'm not gonna touch anything.
Fine. Don't let me regret it.
Can't promise that, but... Nothing but net.
You're using that wrong.
Oh. Huh. Fashion icon.
Mr. H knows what he likes.
Sure he does. Wow, there's... Yo.
Hey, maybe we shouldn't...
Brian?
Whoa, what the fuck?
These monitors, this is the camp.
Huh.
Is Mr. H spying on us?
No. I mean, no, he can't be. These are just... They're all different trails in the woods around camp.
Sure.
Most of the cameras are pointed away from camp, so it's not like he's spying on the kids, unless they wandered out into the woods. You know, these are probably just trail cameras.
What are trail cameras?
People set them up to catch weird, random shit.
Okay, yeah, like what?
Like Bigfoot sightings, you know, that kind of thing.
I didn't know that Mr. H was into that kind of stuff. Shit, maybe he likes that podcast that you listen to.
Secret hobby, I guess.
Expensive hobby.
Yeah, well, I mean, what else are you gonna do out here?
Yeah, I guess camp probably does get pretty lonely when there's no one else around.
Yeah.
Okay, but why go through all the trouble of hiding this room through a secret door in the closet?
I mean, it's not exactly secret, right? Like, it's just hidden by stuff.
Yeah, that's what a secret is, Ryan. It's weird. It's majorly
Yeah,
weird.
I don't disagree with you, but
It's gotta be something juicy in here.
Dylan, it's none of our business. And if you really want to know, you can ask him tomorrow. I'm sure that won't be an awkward conversation, like, at all.
Okay, yeah, maybe I will.
All right. I'm leaving this secret lair. Have fun.
Hey, you just admitted that it's a secret lair. What was that? It's probably nothing. Huh. Okay, these are boring. Whoa, there's some pretty heavy-duty stuff in here.
Yeah, maybe let's not touch that.
Yeah, there's nothing fun.
Yo, leave the gun alone, man.
You got it, boss. So, got anything going on when you get back home? School or?
Jury's out.
Understood. Girlfriend?
Free agent.
Cool, yeah. Me too.
Are the, phones...
Yeah, probably.
You want to check?
Oh, let's just give him another minute or two, just to be sure. So, if you do go to school in the fall, have you, like, picked out a major, or...
I don't know, man. It's kind of hard to talk about right now.
Oh, have you not decided what you're gonna do with your life?
Hey, are the phones done yet?
Hey, so did I tell you?
Dude!
Right. Nice. Full up. Hey, Dunzo.
Alright, cool. Let's go.
Thank you.
This would be a lot easier with Mr. H's chainsaw.
It's really very pretty out here when there's no kids around.
Yeah, they can get kind of obnoxious, huh?
Yeah.
They always seem to listen to you during painting class.
You've seen my class?
Just walking by.
The art cabin's all the way out of the way.
Yeah, well, there's this shortcut that I take that goes by. Which way should we go?
Why don't you choose? Good choice. Better sticks this way.
Better sticks?
Yeah. You like burning or whatever? Think we've got enough?
Not yet. What's next?
Like, after we die? It's heavy, man.
No, I mean like the future.
Yeah. Sometimes. All the time. It's overwhelming.
I know what you mean. Sometimes I just try to, like, let it happen, you know?
What?
Like, whatever happens is what was meant to happen.
Like it's all predetermined. Fate.
I don't know. I'm not sure we're supposed to know.
Yeah. Fate just seems so convenient.
How so?
Because if it's all predetermined and you do something terrible, then you have the excuse of saying, well, it wasn't really me because everything's been pre-planned and then I'm not really in control of my actions, am I?
I never really thought about it like that before.
I mean, well, it's totally okay if you believe that.
Yeah, no, totally.
Yeah. I know where we are.
Yeah?
Up here. Here, hold these.
Sure.
This view is just... wow.
Ooh. Do me.
Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to get this down.
Right. Sorry. Dumb idea.
I just want to finish this.
Take your time.
Did you hear that?
It's probably nothing.
No, listen. No, listen. There's something there. Look!
It's so tiny.
My God, he's so cute.
You're in danger. Hunted by a creature of indeterminate origin. Don't breathe. You need to stop breathing. Tricking the beast into taking you for nothing but a corpse. And where's the fun in hunting that which is already dead? Watch the visuals alter or listen to the sound change as the threat approaches. When the danger is past,
Oh, this slime! Oh.
Oh no.
Okay. Did you get all that?
Huh?
I thought you were gonna draw me getting Frenched by a wild pig.
Ah, got it all up here.
There's no escape. So
Guess we should head back.
Finally get my phone back and it's just a big dumb brick.
Hey, Caitlin. Guess what? Mr. H is a voyeuristic creep. He has hidden cameras everywhere and a secret room.
No, that's not.
Whoa, now, back up. What?
His eyes are everywhere. He's always watching us.
Knock it off, man. He's just got trail cameras set up, forest surveillance, that kind of thing.
Oh.
You don't think that's weird?
Well, he's got a perimeter to check, kids to protect. Probably just to keep track of
You
wildlife.
guys have no imagination.
So, what's going on here? Everything ready?
Still no service.
Yeah.
So, pretty boring.
I wonder, maybe a satellite fell out of the sky or something?
Yeah, and landed in the forest, waking from her slumber, the hacking.
Okay. I just realized we may never see each other again after tonight.
You can't have just realized that.
Just trying to set the mood.
What mood?
The mood, the vibe.
Speaking of setting the mood, I have work to do. Okay? Because playlists don't make themselves. I mean, I guess they do, but...
All right, guy. Time to get wood.
Yikes. Wording.
Oh, I know what I said. Abby, Nick, just in time.
We got wood.
We've already done that joke.
It's mostly just kindling.
Oh, that's all we need. There's already a big pile of logs here.
We could have gotten more, but there was a hog or a boar. But Nick was very, very brave and took one for the team.
Oh my gosh, it can't be. The hog of Hackett's Quarry?
What?
I thought you hated that phrase.
Big jokes take big sacrifices.
You're so brave.
Oh, I just want to shrink you down to little pocket people and put you in my pocket and peep at you when I need a little pick-me-up.
Okay.
Whoa.
Special delivery.
Whoa. Where the hell did that gun come from?
Dude, relax, okay? It's not even real. Well, I mean, it's a real gun, but it's just for shooting bears.
We found it in the storage room.
Okay, fine. We'll put it down.
Thank you. Guns are no joke, dipshit.
And we bring you a hand-picked selection of only the finest that Hackett's Quarry has to offer.
No freaking way.
Yes, frickin' way. Pop, pop, peanut butter, butter pops. Pop, pop, pop 'em in your mouth. Pop!
I didn't even know you could still find these anywhere.
Hey, cool your jets there, cowboy. All right, these are spoken for.
Dude, you can't just shove those in my face and not expect me to want to pop them in my mouth. Come on.
The butter pops is like an act of charity or something.
Fine, you're on.
Yeah, boy!
Jacob, hand me that gun now. I mean, nobody's handling any firearms if you're gonna act like a dick about it.
Okay, then you can be the ref. We need an objective third party.
Okay, we're trying to get a party started here, Jacob.
Okay, well, the main party's not gonna die just because you're off on a little side quest. Come on.
All right. Guess we're gonna have ourselves an old-fashioned shootout. Look, there's a clearing we can use as a shooting range back there, but if I see either of you dicking around, I am turning this car around.
Oh, we'll be good.
Okay. New idea. Party game. Come on, people, we might never see each other after tonight. Let's make some memories.
Well, what do you have in mind?
How about the ultimate game of secrets and lies, truth or dare, but Dylan style? Okay, house rules are someone asks you truth or dare, then you choose, and then you do. And there's no ifs, ands, or buts.
So, like, normal truth or dare.
Yes.
So we can, like, make people kiss?
If they choose dare, yeah. As long as everyone consents, of course.
Cool beans.
I mean, keep it in your pants until it's your turn, but...
Well, who does get to go first?
Well, it's house deals, so... Abigail. Truth or dare?
Truth.
You really dodged a bullet, huh? Alright, here goes. Have you ever slept with anyone?
Oh, I...
Hey, take it easy, man. That's too far.
Come on. I'm not finished. Have you ever slept with anyone at this camp?
No. Nope. Sorry.
All right, Abby, it's your turn.
All right, okay.
Abby, oh my god, just pick someone.
Okay. I don't know.
Ugh, ding ding ding, too late. My turn. Ryan, truth or dare?
Truth. I'm an open book.
Okay. Let's get right down to it.
Let's do.
You and Mr. Hackett.
Here we go.
What were you doing in his office?
Well, I know what you're fishing for, but it's actually super boring. If you must know, I needed some life advice.
Advice, huh?
Oh, whoa. Okay, I got this. Okay, so if you go to settings, there's an option called incognito mode. And if you press that,
No, life advice about school. And that's no fair. I've already answered my question.
Maybe we can help.
I don't know. You've all got your own shit going on. Besides, I figured just the mention of the word school would cause Jacob to hemorrhage or something.
whoa, dude, what the hell did I do?
What do you say? Truth or dare?
Truth. Yeah, truth.
Let's see. So you and Jacob go way back, right? Like since you were kids?
Sadly, yes.
Lame question, bro. Waste of a turn.
You guys ever get down to business together?
When we were freshmen, I made Jacob let me practice French kissing on him. But it never went any further because he's a terrible kisser. And it was like kissing my brother. Ew. Still love you, bud. Okay, my turn. Emma.
Dare.
Emma, so you have to kiss Jacob or Nick.
Well then.
Sorry, Nick. This is not even there, obviously.
I don't know if that's a
Got
good
this.
idea.
I choose Nick.
M? Seriously? Guys. Guys!
Thank you, Nick. He's good.
You like kissing my girlfriend, asshole?
It was just a
Hey,
game.
I am nobody's girlfriend.
The fuck it was. It was just a game. Yeah, the fuck it was, man.
Jacob, grow up. Well, I guess I should probably go after him. You should probably go find Abby.
So, anybody want to play Parcheesi? What?
The devil's gonna come when the sun go down. The devil's gonna come
Fuck
when the sun
this.
go down.
Welcome back. I am, as always, delighted that you're here. I am, as always, delighted that you're here. What more has been found? So then, what more has been found? The hanged man. To be the hanged man is to surrender. And by doing so, to be the hanged man is to surrender. New perspective. And by doing so, and consider a new perspective. Sometimes one needs to be strung up. That sometimes one needs to be strung up. But these are just words. Go. There's more to show you. But these are just words. If you'll let me, there's more to show you. If you'll let me. That's all I have to say for now. Secrets remain buried. That's all I have to say for now. Night grows darker. Secrets remain buried. You can count on that. Grows darker. Be careful. I'll see you where again. The wolves you can go. Count on that. The ravens follow. Where the wolves go, the ravens fall.